Delhi High Court dismisses the plea against Prime Minister Narendra Modi for allegedly violating the Model Code of Conduct during an election speech in Uttar Pradesh. So the Delhi High Court has dismissed the plea against Prime Minister Modi for alleged violation, as was being alleged by a lawyer who had filed the plea and also by the Congress party during an election speech in Uttar Pradesh. So that's the big issue right now that is coming. India Today's legal editor joining me for now. Nalini, what is the reasoning that has been given as the plea has been dismissed, and what specifically was the plea about?
Well, Pooja, it was a short hearing before the Delhi High Court where the lawyer had asked for a 6-year ban on the Prime Minister from contesting elections because of him violating, allegedly, the Model Code of Conduct during the 9th April speech that the Prime Minister had given in Pilibhit in Uttar Pradesh. So keeping that in mind, the High Court has today ruled that the plea is thoroughly misconceived. The judge, Justice Sachin Datta, went on to say that the petitioner has already approached the Election Commission of India and he has remedies available in law to approach the Election Commission with a proper representation and wait for them to give directions. The court also went on to say that the petitioner has already presupposed that there has been a violation of the Model Code of Conduct, which is something that only the Election Commission can take a call on. And moreover, the counsel for the Election Commission has given an assurance before the court that the complaint by the petitioner has been received and orders will be passed regarding that after the plea has been considered. So keeping all this in mind, the Delhi High Court has today dismissed the petition that was filed. The Election Commission will now decide as to whether or not any action needs to be taken against the Prime Minister for the alleged violation of the Model Code of Conduct or not. But the High Court has made it clear that no orders will be passed by them directing the Election Commission to do anything in this regard.
Right, so Nalini will be tracking the latest on that. Nalini, stay on with me. So the High Court has dismissed the plea against Prime Minister Modi for this Model Code of Conduct breach that has been witnessed. And according to the court, that this is not going to stand at this juncture.